I think I'll just head back to the house. But right here at the beach, Telico Beach, they have some pretty good hamburgers, good French fries. Smells good. It smells just like you'd want a greasy hamburger stand to smell. I have half a tank of gas. I think I'll just shoot back to the house, get some gasoline in Murphy, and then call it a weekend. Because it's supposed to be raining. Thursday, Friday, rain. Saturday, Sunday, too much law enforcement. But alright, hit that thumbs up button. We're in Telico Plains, Tennessee. And I'll chat at you at the next video. Thanks for watching.